My friend, you can take the Bible and keep kissing the whole day and night. Somebody will say, but I got healed when I kissed the Bible. You know what? You got healed only because God was merciful. But I guarantee you, He will not give you the healing the second time. Son, the secret is not how many retreats I attend, not how much of the Bible I know. The secret is how much of the instruction I'm putting into practice. It's time for them to change the God. Because my God, when He gives the message, He gives me the tool how to fix it. The healing will come. How many of you has ever prayed to God when you made coffee and you put the right amount of sugar? You are praying to God, God, let the coffee be sweet. Oh God, let the coffee be sweet. Sweet, Lord, sweet, please make it sweet.